Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Today, I am going to harvest some vegetable. Kay ang uban danhi nga matay na, nangalaya na among garden, walay na atiman. So I think it is time to do some harvesting, and then hopefully by the next few days, I can plant some more vegetable. Kay ang uban pod is that I have some space in here now, and I have a couple of bigger pots that we um, got from our neighbor. So they were throwing these pots, and then nakita sa akong bana, and he told me if I am willing or I am interested to get those pots. So nara diri sa amo, so I will plant more vegetable. Okay, please bear with me as I'm going through some of my vegetable, and hopefully I can get some good harvest. Okay, hello guys, so mag-harvest na ko kanilang uban. Sorry, wa na gini anti man among garden. Kani murag garlic man siguro ni siya. Amo ning gikoral diri, we fence this area because my dog Casey, she loves to dig. So ano siyang garlic. So this in size, garlic this in size. And I have another one in here. Casey, no. So I have another one. This in size. This one is dead and it's very small. So oh, even though it's small, there's a little garlic in here. Very tiny. Maybe I can replant this one. And this one as well. Oh, this one is nothing. And there is this this is onion. Wow, this is a big onion. Look at that one. See? Nice size. I have another one here. It's bigger, but right now, since still in good shape, I'm not going to harvest that one. And besides, it will take us a while before we can even go through with this one onion. By the way, this fern right there, guys, that's asparagus. This one is a little garlic. There's another one here. Really tiny. That one. Here comes the doggy. As curious as ever. And then I have two more in here. And as you can see also, guys, I have this sitaw batong. Only two. There's another little one right there. So we'll see. This carpet. Oh, very tiny. And very tiny. Casey. Ay, my dog. Really. Casey, no. Oh. Ah. Hey. No. Casey, no. Sorry, guys. Maybe I should put it someplace before my dog will eat all of this. I'm just going to put this one right here. And I think I have more. I can harvest one of these eggplant right here. Oh, maybe I will just show it to you. Let's see. We have eggplant, and this one is, I don't know what's the name, maybe bell pepper, probably green. I'll just keep that one right there. You know, right after I finished the first part of this video, I said that our garden was not maintained. So right after that one, my husband mowed the lawn. So I have that one there, the sweet potato. I'm not going to harvest any sweet potato leaves. I'm just going to harvest this one right here. This is if I'm not mistaken, this is I don't remember what is this one. So this one is actually cherry, not, it's a radish. This is not a cherry bell that I planted before. This is a different kind of radish. So I'm going to harvest this one, and later on the leaves I'm going to saute. So been wanting to harvest this one for a while, but we went on a road trip for almost 2 weeks, 10 days. So this is it, guys. In fact, there's already some insect, eating. Okay, I'm just gonna put that one. Oh, look at that one too, the bottom. Maybe I let it, stay here. I didn't harvest it. It's for a while, so maybe that's the reason. And besides, this one also needs water. Like I almost water it like every day. The leaves are really still in good shape. Also, I'm going to harvest some of this cherry tomato. They're very small. But this is really delicious. Tomatoes, homegrown tomatoes is the best. They're really the best. Sweet and delicious. It's easier to harvest with your two hands. I think the bird also eats some of this. I usually just wash it and then eat it right away. So not much, guys, but this is really good. I am also going to harvest some of my water spinach. It's growing well, but I don't know why the leaves is kind of wrinkled or something. I check and I don't see any bugs, or maybe I just miss it. But I'm going to harvest some of that one. Of my spinach, I have more spinach out there, so I'm just going to harvest this water spinach or kangkong. Isote na lang nila ako together with the malabar spinach or alubate. Hopefully this one will grow back, and hopefully also when it grows back the leaves will look better. So this one also needs a lot of water actually, because when I watered it more often, it actually grows so fast. Why I am surprised, right? Because the kangkong talaga is they need a lot of water, because doon sa atin sa Pilipinas halos nakikita ko ito sa may sa may sapa or sa may ilog, sa may riverbank, ganun. I'm just going to pick, when I clean this one, or throw some of the leaves that doesn't look healthy. Mainit dito, init kaayo karon. Say pod kung sa hapon pud ka mag-video, ang kuan kanang unsa ni usay ang ko sa video kanang dark siya, so kana lang sa sunod na po ning uban mo ani kung kuan kuha karon sa tangkong. So harbison taning uban alugbati. It's also to harvest some of this one so that it will what do you call that one, it will grow more leaves, ganun, para magdaghan siya pod. Nalipay gyud ko kayo dani when I saw online na kuan nagbaligya sila gliso. Ang tawag day dani sa in English is malabar spinach. This is a different variety of spinach, kasi ang spinach din ni kilahi man good. So kaning mga dahon nga nasa ubos ato man siyang harbison food, kay kaning uban nga kuan harbison din ilabay, kaning pareha niyo kuan siya ato man ni ilabay. Ako lang hindi keep labay tanak niya. Uban kay kuan purple kay siya, you have to wash it really good. Na-surprise ako kay wala ni kalimangan sa akong iro, kay mahilig na ba na siya mag kalimang kiit-kiit sa akong mga tanom. And besides also my husband, she doesn't like to eat spinach. Ay, kuan. Spinach is actually one of those food na kung susceptible ka nga kuan man siguro to kidney stone, mag-form kidney stone, susceptible ka, it's advised not to eat spinach. Kani pud siya, kita mo dani, daghan na pud siya labong kaayo. This one too, see, there's some flowers in here, so mag-harvest tag dahon dako kay ni dahon. Lami na ba ni siya isagol sa kanang sinabaw. Or gisahon. gamay ra kay dahon. Taga na siya buwak guys, so kaning uban dagko na iyang liso dan hiyo. Kung mamatay na po ni, when if this one died, I will planted seeds. And I like this one also, the colors. Like for example, this one, the leaves is really purple. This one right here. Harvest ng uban. So naapogoy kamunggay dire. I have this moringa malunggay, but still like it's not enough. So I'm just gonna leave that one right here. May chili din po ako, pero green pa siya. At saka guys, I have more spinach. Kita nyo ang kakinang dahon na ganyan. I will just harvest it in a few days kasi I have already harvested enough. So okay guys, these are all my harvest. Monita na nako na harvest. So nay akong garlic, bawang, nay sibuyas, nay kamatis, natong kangkong, alugbati, kaning radish niya pwede mo na gamiton ang iyang leaves pod. So kani gid siya guys, pwede din siya gisahon. Kulang na lang mantika, gamay nga tuyo, and then magic sarap. It's delicious. So okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. I know it's a little bit long, but I am happy to do harvesting. And then may kasabihan nga tayo, pag may tiyaga may nilaga. So kahit na bisan tuog ginagmay nga tanom, and then in few months may maharvest na ka, may nana kay maluto. And I am very very happy guys, and hopefully I will see you next time in my channel, okay? And I hope you guys keep safe and have a nice day. In 2 days it's gonna be 4th of July here in the United States. Okay guys, and tomorrow we're going to have an early barbecue because I'm going to work in 4th of July. Okay guys, bye.